Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you the version manager. In the app designer, click on the Releases section and then the Versions tab. A version is nothing other than the status of your app at a certain point in time, including pages, images and text. Let's release a new version as a test. To do this, click on the Publish New Version button. As you can see, a new version has been added to the list and marked with the live marker. This means that every user who calls up your app will see exactly this version of your app. If you continue to work in your app, the users will not see these new changes. Only when you publish a version again will your users be up to date again. You also have the option to reset your app to a previous state. To do this, select the option, Set Live, from the menu. You can see from the marker that this version is now activated. Alternatively, you can also press this button directly to activate this version. You can use the preview function to view a version. To do this, click on the preview button in the list and the preview will open in a new window. As you can see, the corresponding date is logged for each version. Above this, a long character string is displayed for each version, the so-called release ID. Since these are usually very difficult to remember, you have the option of naming versions. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.